Starting from the 30th of August, the passengers boarding the long-distance train, or KAJJ, who are 18 years older or older, is required to have the third COVID-19 vaccine booster.
Departures from a number of stations, including Gambir Station, Pasar Senen, Bekasi, and Cikampek, will require a third vaccination for passengers above the age of 18, but only a second vaccination for non-Indonesian citizens. Meanwhile, passengers who are medically exempt will be required to produce a letter from a state-owned hospital, and passengers in the age range of 6 to 17 years old will be required to have and show proof of second vaccination in order to board the train. Non-Indonesian citizens in this age range is not be required to be vaccinated. Moreover, passengers under the age of 6 years old is not required to be vaccinated, nor will they need to provide a negative rapid test or PCR. However, they are still expected to adhere to regulations when on board.
Bagi masyarakat calon pengguna KAJJ jauh khususnya akan berangkat dari stasiun Gambir, Pasar Senen, dan sejumlah stasiun lainnya di area Daup 1 Jakarta agar memperhatikan kembali aturan berlaku perjalanan KAJJ jauh yang mulai diberlakukan mulai 30 Agustus 2022, di mana ada persyaratan terbaru bagi pengguna jasa untuk usia 18 tahun ke atas. Ini wajib sudah di booster. Artinya jika belum booster tidak bisa digantikan dengan surat PCR ataupun surat lainnya. Dan kemudian aturan baru juga terdapat pada untuk aturan anak usia 6 sampai dengan 17 tahun, di mana untuk anak usia 6 sampai dengan 17 tahun ini sudah wajib harus divaksin kedua.
Indonesia will host 2022 PUBG Mobile Global Championship, an international esports competition this coming times.
This news comes after Indonesia hosted a tournament called PUBG Pro League ID Fall 2022 at Jakarta's Istora Senayan last weekend. According to Elva Rika Novianti, the country manager of Tencent Games Indonesia, Indonesia has been selected as the host country for the grand final of PUBG Global Championship, or PMGC, in January 2023. Indonesia hopes that by hosting the international event, esports ecosystem domestically can be generated in line with job creation potential as well as business opportunities in the games industry, according to Sandiaga Uno, the Indonesian Tourism and Creative Economy Minister.